Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a dynamic yoga flow. In this flow, you'll find a lot more movement, and it might even get your heart rate up. The benefits of a dynamic yoga flow are that it helps strengthen our connective tissues, as well as provide us strength and toning for our muscles, just for day-to-day life. So if you want to join me in this dynamic yoga flow, come flow with me. Meet me on your mat in an easy seated posture. Take your time and get comfortable. Allow your eyes to soften here. Tune into your breath. Deep breath in. Let it all go. Turn inward. And know that for the next 15 minutes, it's just you, your breath, your body, within the four corners of your mat. Inhale, blink your eyes open, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale your palms to heart center. Inhale, lift your fingertips high. Exhale, palms to heart center, connecting your breath with your movement. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, palms to heart center. Next, take a moment to place your right palm next to your right hip. As you exhale, lean over to your right side, lifting your left palm high. Inhale your way back to center. Place the left palm down. Bend over to your left side, reaching your right fingertips. Inhale back to center. Bend over towards your right side, creating space. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bend over to the opposite side. Follow your breath. A few more times. Fluid movement. Inhale your way back to center. Reach your arms up overhead. As you exhale, fold forward. Take a moment here. Then roll over onto your hands and knees, coming into a tabletop. Adjust here, bringing your wrists, elbows, and shoulders in one line, bringing your knees underneath your hips. Engage your core. As you inhale, send your right fingertips forward and left leg rises. Exhale, squeeze your knee and elbow in the center. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale and lengthen. Crunch it in as you engage your core. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale, plant the palm and knee down. Inhale the left fingertips forward, right leg goes back. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale, squeeze it in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale and lengthen. And exhale, plant the palm and knee down. Take a moment here to take some hip circles or move your body in any way that feels good to you. Take it to the opposite side. Come back to center. As you exhale, find your way into downward facing dog. Shift your hips up and back. Pedal out your feet here, bending one knee and then the other, lifting one heel and then the other. Come back to center. Find your down dog. Bend your knees and look forward. Exhale, step or walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Palms can come to shins. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up all the way. Rising up, lift your arms. Grab onto your left wrist. Lean over to your right side. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank. Lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale and lift your heart. Exhale, make your way into downward facing dog. Find your breath here. Inhale the right leg high. As you exhale, step it forward, lower your back knee. Find your way on your fingertips and inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, straighten out the right leg, finding your way into half splits. Inhale, bend the knee, shift forward and lift. Exhale, straighten out the right leg and bend. Follow your own breath. On your next exhale, pause in your half splits. Just breathing here, feeling the stretch in the back of your right leg. Inhale, bend the knee and shift forward. Lift your arms into your low lunge. Grab onto your left wrist, lean over to your right side, staying firm in that right leg. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, frame the right foot, step back to your downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale, step it in between your palms, lower the right knee. Coming onto your fingertips, lift your chest. Exhale, straighten out the left leg, half splits. Inhale, bend the knee and shift forward. Exhale, straighten the left knee and shift back. Follow your breath, inhaling forward, exhaling back. On your next exhale, pause in your half splits. Breathe here. Inhale and bend the knee as you shift forward. Lift your arms up, coming into your low lunge. Grab onto your right wrist this time. As you exhale, lean over to your left side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, frame the left foot, step back into your downward facing dog. Take a few rounds of breath here. Bend the knees as you inhale, look forward. Exhale, step or walk forward to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rising up. Palms reach high. Grab onto your left wrist. Lean over to your right side. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Bring your palms to your hips this time. Cross your left foot over your right. Crossing at the ankles. Inhale, lift your arms high. Exhale and fold forward. You might be noticing a different sensation here in this cross-legged forward fold. Just breathe into it. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, send the left leg back, finding your way into your runner's lunge. Staying on your fingertips, exhale, straighten out the right leg as you shift back. Inhale, bend the knee and shift forward. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, shift back. On your next inhale, come forward and lift your arms up, coming into your crescent lunge. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh, lifting your left arm. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Find your dancing warrior here. Right forearm to right thigh. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, come back to your warrior two. Bring your palms to heart center, straighten out the front knee, bend into the back knee, finding your side lunge. You can keep your palms at heart center or reach your fingertips down for balance. Breathe here. As you exhale, come back into your warrior two, rise. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms down to frame your right foot. Exhale, step forward. Forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold once more. Inhale, rise all the way up. Bring your palms to your hips once more. Then we'll cross the right foot over the left, crossing at the ankles. Inhale, lift your palms. Exhale and fold. Again, notice the different sensation and where you might feel this. You can shift your weight a little bit forward here to feel a little bit more. Inhale, lift up halfway. As you exhale, unravel and lunge your right leg back, coming into your runner's lunge on your fingertips. Exhale, straighten out the left leg, shift back. Inhale, bend the left knee and shift forward. Exhale and shift back. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, shift back once more. Inhale, bend into the knee, and this time lift your arms high, lift your torso, find your high crescent lunge, engage your core. Exhale, open up wide to your side into your warrior two. We'll find those dancing warriors. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh this time, reaching your right fingertips. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale into that modified side angle pose. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, come into your warrior two. Bringing your palms to heart center. Find your balance, engage your core, bend into the right knee, straighten out the left leg, find your side lunge. Again, you can always place your palms on the ground. As you exhale, rise and lift up to your warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, frame the left foot, step forward. Fold forward here. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, rise all the way up. Palms come to heart center this time. Take a moment to come to the center of your mat. Inhale and lift your heels off the mat. Breathe here. As you exhale, bend your knees and lower into your toe squat. Take a moment to bring your heels together and take your knees wide. Engage your core to find balance. Bringing your fingertips by your ears. As you exhale, bring your right elbow close to your right thigh. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, left elbow to left thigh. Inhale, come back to center. Right elbow to right thigh. They never have to touch. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, crunch to the left. Inhale, back to center. We'll take that 2 more times, finding and following your own breath. This time, as you come to center, bring your palms to heart center. Bring your knees back together and take a seat on your mat. Keeping your knees bent. Bring the soles of your feet together. Take your knees wide in this space. Take a moment to lengthen your spine. You can grab onto the balls of your feet if you'd like. As you exhale, fold forward in your butterfly pose. Surrender here and find your breath if you've lost it. Come back to turning inward. Come back to your breath. Inhale, engage your core and rise. Help your knees together, feet flat on the mat, shifting to the center of your mat. Roll all the way back and down. Once you've found your way onto your back, bring your heels as close to your glutes as possible. Knees are still bent. Roll your shoulders underneath you. Inhale, lift your hips. Exhale and lower, barely touching. Inhale and lift. Exhale, lower the hips. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale and lower. Inhale and lift. This time, pause and breathe here. Engage your core. Bridge pose. Exhale, gently lower down 1 vertebrae at a time. Hug your knees into your chest and rock side to side, forward and back, whatever feels good to you. Plant your feet back on your mat, this time taking your feet as wide as your mat. Shift both knees over to your right side, finding a twist. Your knees are not going to touch here. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, send both knees over to the left, finding another twist. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, send both knees to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, send both knees to the left. Inhale, back to center. This time, allow your knees to fall in towards each other. Keep your feet where they are. Send your arms up overhead, elbows soft, passive rest pose. Just breathe in and breathe out. In fact, take a deep breath in, drop your jaw, and sigh it all away. Stay here as long as you'd like, and whenever you're ready, make your way into a seat. Thanks for joining me for this flow. I hope you found it beneficial, and if you did, please be sure to share it with your loved ones or on social media. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me. As always, the clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. Let me know in the comments below which types of flows you'd like to see more of. If you want to flow a little bit more, check out my Vinyasa playlist right here, and YouTube thinks you'll like that video down there. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.